here in front of Zero Cafe. The owner of this cafe is Rashi, and I have just called her. She is ready to show one recipe also, and let's go inside and meet her personally, and let's talk about her journey also and about the dish. And she's going to make one dish for us, specially for you all. Let's go inside and let's see what it is. Hi Rashi, how are you? How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Happy to see you.
Yeah, me too. So I was waiting for here to come, and we are here finally. And see, Rashi is with us, Dr. Rashi, and let's make something. Like she has planned something for us. She is going to make one new dish for you all. Let's see.
Yes, come. Let's see what.
Let's see.
Yes.
Wow, it's amazing. Looks something different. Wow. Tell me what you are making.
Yeah. So since we are in summer now, almost we have so many mangoes.
Yeah.
So I thought of making something from mango. So today we are going to make mango chia seed pudding.
Mango chia seed pudding. Sounds delicious, isn't it? Oh wow. See, okay, yeah, tell me.
Yeah, and you will be shocked to know that this can be made with all the ingredients that are there. Maybe one or two you can just chia seed. These days it's common. Everyone
Yeah.
has chia seeds.
Or it can be used instead of chia seeds, sabza seeds also.
Sabja seeds are also fine.
Yeah,
You can
that's
use
good.
even that.
Yeah.
So this is the simplest recipe, and I'm sure everyone has mango in their home.
Definitely.
And what you need is just fresh coconut, which in South everyone has coconut in their house.
Yes.
And you have a blender in your house or a mixie.
Yes.
That's all is required, and some dry fruits which is optional to garnish on top. And we don't use sugar here, so we use only dark organic jaggery. So we will see, either you can use dark jaggery or you can substitute with dates.
Dates.
Date paste, or that's something that you can do if you are not even wanting to use jaggery.
Wow.
Today we are going to use jaggery, coconut milk that is made at home.
Yeah, how you made this coconut milk? Did you strain it or just
No. So we don't believe in removing any fiber because that is actually processing. So even the coconut milk that I use for paisam and for the kheer that we make, I just grind the fresh coconut
Yeah.
with some water in high blender mixer and just use it completely with the fiber.
Okay, just grind it.
Just grind
more
it.
Like it
Yes.
should become like a full milk.
Yes.
That's good.
So the ingredients required to make chia seed pudding is mango, coconut milk, jaggery that is optional. You can use also dates and chia seeds. And this is also optional. Just to garnish, you can have your choice of dried nuts. We have used pista and almond here. Using this.
So first you are going to put
So
those
I'll
mangoes.
just put some mangoes because mango is the dominant thing here. Okay.
So are you
So you
making
should-
layers?
Yeah, I'm going to make layers so that it looks visually very appealing. And then we are going to put, we are just layering it slowly with the chia seed pudding.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it looks good, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll add the mango puree. Yeah.
While making also it's like
It's
art
so
itself,
nice.
right?
Yeah, it's an art.
Yeah.
And then you can just garnish the chopped mangoes on top. So this, if you have guests in your home, you can just make this in advance and keep it in the fridge, so that as soon as they are here and you want to serve, you can just
Yeah.
everything is already ready. You keep it in the fridge.
And it
Wow.
looks beautiful also.
Yeah, it looks amazing, right? And they will be like, wow, where have you got this from? And then you just garnish it with some. Yeah, it's ready.
Wow, isn't it beautiful? See, so delicious, yeah? And it looks beautiful. Wow, can you see it? Even kids will have
Love
this,
it.
like they will love it.
They will love it.
Yeah.
And it's full of good things. So even if they overeat, nothing is going to happen.
Wow.
Let them enjoy, and guilt free they can enjoy this dessert.
Wow. And even for birthday parties and all, instead of
Yeah.
giving the chips, Cokes, Pepsi, all those
And
things.
rasgulla and
Yeah,
gulab jamun. I don't know,
jalebi.
jalebi. You can always
Wow.
make this because now it's seasonal, and
Mm.
it's the best thing you can do for the kids.
Yeah,
and
it's
once
nice.
they get hooked on to the good taste, then they will also ask for more.
And it doesn't take much time also.
Yes.
Wow. Beautiful. And thank you, Rashi. You made for us specially, and it's so
You're welcome.
beautiful. Thank you so much. See, isn't it beautiful? For me, it looks beautiful. Wow. So let's come taste this. How it will be? I am here. So instead of you, I'm here only tasting it. Oh, wow, looks pretty. It's great. Wow, if you dig, like, it's like coming surprise thing also, like chia pudding is also there. And it's altogether, it's perfect. It's delicious, yummy. Thank you so much, Rachi. You made this for us and
You're
for the
most
audience.
welcome. So happy to share this.
Even I'm so happy to have this. So delicious. And the freshness of that fruits, right? That won't come in any other dish, I guess. Like it's amazing thing. You can serve this to
And it's
guests.
raw. It's not cooked at all.
Yeah, it's raw. It's cooked,
Raw.
not cooked. Wow. Yes, I'm going to finish this. Okay, I'm not going to give Rashi this. Okay, I will finish it full. So thank you, Rashi,
Thank you
for coming to our channel and showing us this recipe to everyone. And it's very delicious, very nice.
It's my pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and let's see you in next episode. Till then, namaste. See you.
Namaste.
Bye.
Bye.